Welcome to Crypto Paper. XRP to $500 blackout incoming and the prices are not moving. This video will answer all of your questions about XRP and what is going on with it. So make sure you stay with us until the end and have your answers. The Hinmon deposition has been postponed till July 27th and we're sure something huge is coming after that. What does this signify for the price of XRP? During the pre-trial phase of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, the legal team of Ripple has proven that the SEC denied fair notice not just to XRP but to all cryptocurrencies. When Ripple filed an intention to present a fair notice defense, the SEC launched a series of desperate filings. As we all know that Ripple is a money transfer network created with the financial services industry in mind, XRP, a Ripple-based cryptocurrency, is consistently ranked among the top 5 cryptocurrencies in terms of market value. Despite its objectives, Ripple is currently embroiled in legal disputes with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). However, this hasn't stopped XRP from outperforming other cryptos. From the start, Ripple was intended to be a replacement for SWIFT, a leading money transfer network, or to otherwise replace the settlement layer between large financial institutions, explains Pat White, CEO of Bitwave. When users utilize the network to make a transaction, the network deducts a modest charge in the form of XRP, a cryptocurrency. The typical fee for performing transactions on Ripple is set at 0.00001 XRP, which is quite low when compared to the fees imposed by banks for conducting cross-border payments, explains L. Lee, a board member of On-Chain Custodian. The XRP pricing was $1.38 per token as of late April 2021, which means the transaction fee is under $0.0000138. While some may find XRP's vision and benefits appealing, White is concerned that the SEC case may cause problems for individuals looking to invest. They're marketing themselves as a settlement layer for regulated corporations, but they're also embroiled in a legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. They can't begin to use XRP with any of the consumers they'd like to onboard until Ripple has gotten their legal woes figured out, he says. With all of this uncertainty, King advises that XRP can be a risky investment. Though it has now more than recovered, he warns that the SEC announcement prompted the price of XRP to plummet, making this crypto an especially risky investment until the SEC issues are resolved. That said, if you believe that Ripple will emerge victorious against the SEC and continue taking over as a payment system, then it could be worth buying XRP. Just make sure it's with money you can afford to lose. The deposition of former SEC Director of Corporation Finance William HICKMAN, which was ordered by Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn over the SEC's ruling, is crucial to the strategy because he gave a speech in June 2018, and if the defense is allowed, the trial case against Ripple will be over before it begins, which has gathered a lot of criticism. Despite having been launched in an initial coin offering in 2014, this speech still appears on the SEC website and declares that Ethereum's digital token, Ether, is not a security. Hinmon said in a speech that the current offers and sales of Ether are not securities transactions based on his understanding of the Ethereum network in its decentralized structure. The SEC rejected responsibility for the speech, claiming that it was entirely a reflection of the speaker's personal beliefs and not market guidance. The SEC also claimed that his deposition would create a barrier by discouraging other lawyers from taking public sector positions in retribution. However, the SEC countered that this is not a typical enforcement action. This said deposition, according to the judge, will open the floodgates for any government officials who have spoken about securities or cryptocurrency. She also acknowledged the significance of the issue, noting that it includes important policy decisions in our markets, that the degree of disagreement is great, and that the public's interest in the case is substantial. The SEC legal team would take another hit as a result of a recent letter from SEC Commissioners Pearson Voice on a settlement with crypto exchange CoinSchedule, concluding that there is a decided lack of clarity for market participants around the application of the securities' last to digital assets in their trading. The commissioners are essentially insider whistleblowers who have stated that the SEC does not provide clear guidelines and fair notice on digital assets. This is what the lawyer for Ripple Labs has said. In light of this new development, Johnny Dean believes that, based on the general trajectory of the case, the fair notice defense requested by the Ripple would be allowed. This would imply that the the SEC would be placed on trial in what could be the cryptocurrency trial of the century. At this point, the SEC legal team may realize that human responses to rippling questions could put an end to the argument as an agency, resulting in a judgment that could kill the SEC fair notice. XRP is clearly not a security according to the evidence. As the SEC has determined, it serves a very specific purpose as a bridge currency. It does not serve as a store of value, which is why it is not a security. Because XRP is a means of exchange used for cross-border and other transactions, the SEC cannot regulate it as a security according to Ripple. The deposition may add greater weight to Ripple's assertion that the XRP coin is not a security. If the SEC does not file an appeal, Ripple can demand that he speak about the logic behind his judgment on Ether at that time, and then use the same argument to XRP. Ripple's importance is growing day by day. It permits exchanges for a variety of fiat currencies. On this blockchain, transactions for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and even gold are validated. When compared to Bitcoin's blockchain, which can take up to 5 minutes to confirm a transaction, the Ripple network has a larger institutional market adoption than most other crypto networks. Without a doubt, Ripple Labs is already a big deal now. XRP indeed has a bright future. The environmental damage that Bitcoin is causing through mining, it is causing a significant decrease in its worth. Bitcoin's future is in jeopardy if it does not switch to a more sustainable method of circulation. Even with the artificial scarcity it has created, once the lawsuit is resolved, the likelihood of XRP overtaking Ethereum in value increases, and if that happens, we can safely assume that it will surpass Bitcoin as well. In the complaint, the counsel for Ripple's, the latest developments in the lawsuit are viewed by Johnny Depp as a big triumph for Ripple. He stated this in a tweet in response to a news article produced by the Fast Telegraph. The fact that the Quick Telegraph is downplaying the significance of this development is particularly noteworthy, given that the website published an article titled "XRP is a Security" a year ago. We may never know. The SEC established a framework for investment contract analysis of digital assets in April of 2020. This magazine takes many of its parameters from him, as evidenced by the now famous 2018 speech site reports. Now, we can be certain that the SEC was lying through its teeth when it claimed that the speech did not constitute market direction. However, this is just his opinion on digital asset transactions. On July 21st, the value of XRP was 55.9814 cents. This is much lower than its value last week. XRP fell below the $1 barrier in the first week of June and hasn't risen above that level since. During the early weeks of June, the price oscillated within the 80 cents area. With the lawsuit dragging on, the value of XRP plummeted. With the lawsuit dragging on, the XRP bull slowly started pulling away from trying to bring up the floor price. The month of July began with XRP rising and falling within the 60 cents range. On the 16th of the month, the price fell below the 59 cent support level. After failing to surge over the 50 cent area on July 17th, the price of Ripple's crypto has increased by 6.21% in 24 hours as of July 21st. XRP now has a market capitalization of $56.05 billion. The bull market would most likely test the 50-cent level fiercely if buyers bring the price back over 63 cents, signaling the commencement of a relief rally according to Cointelegraph. This may boost the XRP price beyond 70 cents, but if sellers decrease the price below the 50-cent support, the negative trend will intensify and the price may fall to 45 cents if this level is also breached. If this level is also breached, the price may drop to the next support at 40 cents. That was all from our side. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.